to another video. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I've definitely been out trying to fish, but I haven't been doing very well. Maybe like one fish a trip or so, if that, and I haven't been fishing as much as usual. But as you can see, we're out here at the creek. It's a nice day. It is a little hot. It's like in the, I don't know, lower 90s or so. Gonna bounce around different spots and let's see if we can catch as many fish as we can. Stay tuned, guys. All right, let's see if we can get some today. Got one. Oh my gosh. Talk about shaking the hook. Dang. I wonder if it's because these things got jacked up. The only problem with these little rebel crawls is that the hooks get tangled up on each other. Dang it. That was the first bite I had too. Man. Probably won't hit it again. That was neat though. He came flying out of the water. Oh. Dang it. What is going on with this thing? Oh, there's a fish. Oh, got a green sunfish. He wasn't coming off. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Pretty little green sunfish. Oop, hit that, I mean to hit that stick. See if we can get something else. Hopefully we can get that smallie to bite again. Got one. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh boy. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. Ooh, whoa. Got one. Finally. There we go. Hold up, buddy. Nice chunky smallmouth there. That's what we lost. Man, they're so aggressive. They're trying to bite my hand. All right, gotta let this one go and we'll go ahead and move on down and see if we can't get one somewhere else. Let's get another one. We'll move in down the creek. just gonna make a few casts right here. I've had some luck here in the past, but I keep losing it. I've hooked it twice and lost it, so hopefully today will be the day, if it's still there. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I don't want to lose this one. This one definitely feels bigger. Keep them low. Oh. Maybe that ain't bigger. Sure, fighting harder. Oh. All right. Damn. Oh yeah. Oop, oop. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Got us another one. Oh yeah. Dang, I feel bad about letting him flop around. Definitely bigger. No giant, but heck yeah, take that. Go over here where we can see it a little better in the light. All right, guys. Got our second smallie, just moved down just a little bit. Bleeding a little bit. Let's go ahead and get him back real quick. Back he goes. All right. All right, guys, if you're curious what we're using, it's I think this was like a 4 or 6 inch. Not sure what you call it, but it's got the skinny tail on it. I just cut it off, stuck it on a 1/4 ounce jig. I don't know what kind it is. It's a Z-Man, I know that. But anyways, yeah. Hopefully, so far we've caught 2 on it. Hopefully they aren't the last 2. And yeah, you can swim it or just bounce it. The one I caught, I was swimming. The second one I caught, reeling it slow, bouncing it. Actually, I'll make a cast right here. Oh, I think I just got hit. Yep, got one. Oh yeah. What? That is not even a. What is? Oh, that's a crappie. What? What the heck? Did not expect that. Ain't no giant, but man. First crappie of the day. I haven't caught one out of the creek in a long time. Hit it on the fall too, right over there. I know it's pretty deep in that area. Not exactly sure how deep, but I know when me and my buddy came through here wading about 30, 50 foot down that way, it was up to our chest. So, and then it just kept getting deeper, so who knows.